Today, I'm going to share an amazing little idea that will make your camping or outdoor adventures so much easier and more enjoyable. Let's begin with my off-road trip story. When we go camping or explore the outdoors, having the right hacks can save a lot of time and effort. And today's tip is one of those game changers you'll want to use every single trip.
One of the most common problems in the wild is managing water. Washing your hands, cleaning vegetables, or rinsing dishes often wastes a lot of it. And holding a bottle while washing is a real hassle.
The solution is simple: a DIY hand washing system made from a bottle and a syringe tip. The water comes out slowly, saving every drop, and it's hands-free, so you can wash or clean without juggling a bottle. It takes less than 2 minutes to make. You can hang it anywhere, on a tree, near your tent, or even at the back of your vehicle. This hack helps you save water, work faster, and stay clean during your trip. It's a must-have for off-road and camping lovers. Next time you head outdoors, try this simple DIY trick. If you enjoyed this idea, give the video a like, subscribe to my channel, and share your favorite outdoor hack in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more camping tips and adventures.